जिसकी लागी रे लगन भगवान में, उसका दिया भी जलेगा तूफान में। जल से भरे तालाब के पानी में जब हलचल होती है तो उसकी गहराई दिखाई नहीं देती, लेकिन जब पानी शांत होता है तो तल साफ नजर आने लगता है। तेज सोच से ज्यादा जरूरी है गहरी समझ। हमारे मन के साथ भी यही होता है। कंप्यूटर इज merely a mechanical extension of human consciousness. While it could assist human evolution, it could never replace consciousness. A person who lives only outwardly, disconnected from the inner self, cannot be whole. Harmony between our inner and outer world is needed. Yes, we need technological innovation, but we also urgently need a spiritual revolution. We must reduce our dependence on social media and AI tools and teach younger generations to engage in critical thinking, analysis, and creativity. Artificial intelligence can dry painting, but it will deprive people of joy, emotions, and the opportunity to experience the act of drawing. Let us then strive to harmonize our outer progress with inner awareness. However, the outcome depends entirely on us, on how we choose to use technology. While innovation has improved our quality of life, it has also led to neglect of our inner world. Elevate yourself through the power of your mind. The mind is both the friend and the enemy of the self. We have failed to strike a fine balance between the outer and the inner dimensions of our existence. What would happen if all the smartphones on the planet were shut down for 24 hours? What would that day feel like? No voice calls, messages, or access to the social media platforms. Would life become better or more complex? These questions, though hypothetical, raise important concern about our holistic well-being. Since the late 1700s, the world has witnessed four industrial revolutions, but it has yet to undergo a spiritual revolution. We have failed to strike a fine balance between the outer and the inner dimensions of our existence. तन का दीपक मन के बाती हरि भजन का तेल रे काहे को तू घबराता है ये तो प्रभु का खेल रे Hero could be decoded. H, that is happening. The happening is often beyond our control. E, evaluation. How do we evaluate a happening? This evaluation determines whether we become empowered or victimized. When we train the mind to see growth in adversity, it becomes a friend. When we see only loss and resentment, it becomes a foe. Reaction or response. When insulted, a reactive person tends to shout back. A responsive person pauses, breathes, and chooses dignity over drama. Reaction is the language of the ego. Response is a fragrance of wisdom. Now, finally, O, outcome. When we evaluate rightly and respond consciously, the outcome naturally aligns with growth, harmony, and success. कौन बनाए इस दुनिया में सबके बिगड़े काम रे अनहोनी को होनी कर दे उसका नाम है राम रे